closet. I am doing a bless box today. I have had this subscription probably on and off for maybe a year and a half or a year. Every time I think I cancel it, it shows up at my door. So I love it. So what are you gonna do? If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. I will leave the link for Bless Box and the price because I always forget. I think it's like $29.99 plus shipping, so it comes out to about $35 a month. Let's get into it. It comes very nicely wrapped. The owner is super, super nice. She obviously doesn't want to see me go because I don't know why I keep getting it. I pay for it, but I just keep getting it. And it's a lifestyle box, and it always comes with different kinds of cards in here. Oh, this is a golden milk turmeric iced latte. And then this is the fall, so this is everything that's in here. 20% off for your next purchase at why is it that I cannot pronounce words? And inside is Sue Super Butter Intensive Hair Mask. And I love hair masks. And look at how cute this is. It looks like a little bottle. So that'll be fun to try. Then they have Intense Repair 3-day hair treatment. So then there's this one. They must know that I'm working on my hair. And a purifying pink clay sheet mask. I can't read by who it's by, but you know I love me some masks, and I have been using them regularly. I know you're not supposed to use them every day. You're supposed to use them maybe 2-3 times a week, but I use the different types of masks, and I can feel in my skin that it's working. Then, Good Day Moisturizer. It's a little sample, Eco Beauty. So that's nice. Ooh, some more cards. Eat like your life depends on it. And, oh, it's another, I guess it's, oh, it's coupons. So if you want to buy them, there's coupons on here. And then another card. So they must have forgot that they put my stuff. Maybe they'll double my products in here. And let's get out what we got in here. The first thing is Verb Energy, as much caffeine as an espresso and only 90 calories. They usually do include some type of fun, healthy food item. Then we have that Collagen Fuel Golden Turmeric Peptide Drink Mix. So this is all the coupons they're sending, so I guess you must add this to something. Oh, it says bovine collagen. I don't know. Bovine collagen just doesn't sound, well, I'll check into it. Then we have another one of those in vanilla coconut, and I wonder if it has the bovine collagen. I have to look up and see what that is. So I'll leave it below what that is. Then we got some drugs. It's Hair Vitamin Advanced Formula. So there must be like those gel caps that you can buy at the store. And they're 100% drug-free. And they're 60 capsules. So that's nice, a nice size. And I don't know how many you're supposed to take. If you take one serving size, one capsule. So that's nice, a couple months worth. Next we got AB Skincare Acne Spot Treatment. I don't really get that, but I know my little girl, so I don't know if I can send it to her, if you can send these kind of products overseas, but I'll save it for when she comes to visit me. And the last thing in the box is microfiber makeup removers. Oh, look at that. That looks interesting. You use it with hot or cold water. Gently wipe off makeup. For hard to remove makeup, hold the wet puff over the area a few seconds and wipe. Machine or hand wash with soap water after each use. Let air dry. So that's really kind of a neat product. Oh, wait. There's a lippy. Well, this is pretty. This is by Manna, M-A-N-N-A. It says it's step 3. Priming lip wand. Oh, I've never heard of that. So I think that's everything in here. And let's just check. So there's the advanced formula. They retail for $50, these hair vitamins, which is kind of pricey, but it's prevention of hair loss and shedding, as well as aids in increasing strength for the strong, shiny, healthy hair you deserve. So that's nice. Then the pink clay mask, that retails for $6. The Repair 3-Day Hair Treatment is $5. The Moisture Cream and Good Night Cream, but that was just a little sample size. I guess if you get the big one, it's $5. The surprise gift, it's a Fall Edit Beauty Duo. It's $33, but I'm not sure what it is. Then there's the Super Butter Hair Mask, that's $3. The Acne Spot Treatment is $10.99. The Golden, the drink mixes with the bovine, they're $2.99 each, and the energy bar is $1.50. So I'm thinking this and this were the mystery duo. And I guess these are worth $33. So, was it over the top? Not really, but they have great products in there. Again, if you like masks, they definitely had masks for your hair and your face. The beauty sponge or the makeup remover is nice. I'll definitely try that. I'm definitely going to use the vitamins. But overall, not one of their better boxes. So please leave me comments below. Let me know what you thought of this box. If you get the subscription, just comment. And I hope you guys all had a great Halloween, and I'll talk to you soon.